We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together.
Put the candle down because you can't see it. Oh my god.
I can't see Chick-fil-A sauce now. I mean, we don't really look like we've got much here.
Why do you look so weird? Benji. Stay there, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Do I need something else? Let me get this. It's rubbish, you idiot in the way.
Amazing.
What am I dropping in?
Mickey Mouse doesn't fall off.
What there? I just don't look like I've got anything.
No, you don't.
Oh, no.
I'm doing random things. Right, you hold these. Or like or just hold the Gideon's bag like this. I've only got 3 things.
I don't even really care about Chick-fil-A sauce.
I know, why are you so obsessive? Holding that.
I don't know.
Put your resort mug down. Resort mug down. Fucking weirdo.
Right, do I need a picture of? Pass me somewhere.
A caricature one.
Yeah. It's very stressful. Look like I'm crying now.
I can see your face.
Yeah, but I've only got 3 things.
So have I. Oh, you can't just see the glare of the picture. Oh, there you go.
Did you see that? No. The magic man just won't look behind Mickey. It just went like this. It just went.
I pee myself.
We have more stuff.
Okay,
We have more stuff than this.
this looks fine.
I'm going to look like I'm crying.
Okay, we good? Mouth's hurting from smiling.
Oh, that was hard work.
Bloody hell.
Oh, now I look bald. Why have we even got this back? End of clip.
Oh my god.
Enjoy that in the bonus bit.
We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day.